Hi Don, this is Lindsay with Northcut Web Design. Just wanting to give you a quick rundown of how the design of your website is looking so far. This is just the home page, but I wanted to get the thumbs up from you about the overall look and feel and the design direction that I've taken so far. So up at the top, there's some contact information and obviously your logo. I've put it over a nice image of vegetables. And as we scroll down, the taglines you provided, I wanted to kind of immediately give visitors a quick option to sign up for your CSA, especially if they were already familiar with who you are and what a CSA is. And then it immediately follows with what your CSA is for those who are less familiar. And then it goes a little bit into your produce, your process, and your guarantee. I thought those were some important things to have on the home page. Obviously, the rest of your information will be coming soon. I just wanted to make sure that you liked the general aesthetic, layout, and design so far. Please let me know. Thank you, and I hope you had a great weekend.